It looks quite stunning. Catch of the day with some, they didn't call them chips, but they're big chips. So off we go.
And left.
This is one Sandy Lane.
Yeah.
Where Rihanna normally stays with Simon Cowell.
But
This here is called Payne's Bay.
Yes.
yeah, beautiful beach.
All these along here are condos.
Yeah, look at this restaurant, Bob.
Oh, it's lovely that place, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's the
is that the cliff?
That's the cliff.
That's the cliff. Oh my god.
Lovely day. What a lovely, lovely day today is. And today's menu, we're at Julian's restaurant again. It's the only restaurant at Mango Bay. It's got appetizers. We've got some appetizers. We have tomato mozzarella skewers, vegetable roll-ups, and we've got grilled fish for main, chicken pezzo alfredo, and a Greek loaded hummus bowls. I will have the tomato mozzarella skewers, and I'll have the grilled catch of the day. I think that's what we're going to have today, and also dessert. So yeah, it's a a la carte sit-down menu at the Julian's restaurant, Mango Bay Hotel. It's quite a lovely day now. We've had 2 seconds of rain earlier, but the sun's back out. And later on today, this afternoon, we're going on the boat ride. It's just there in the background is the boat. You can see it was going 4 of us going on the boat. Just a quick little tour of the west coast. So there it is. Mango Bay Hotel. So Joe's arrived, she's back now, and my starter, dun dun dun, here we go. It is tomato mozzarella skewers, just as it said. It looks quite stunning. Quite stunning, so I'll give this a go for my starter. The starter was absolutely wonderful, it was absolutely perfect today. The mozzarella and tomato, perfect. So I can't fault that one little bit. I thought it was going to be cooked, but it wasn't cooked, but it was still absolutely beautiful. The sauce with it complemented perfectly, absolutely amazing, perfect. There she is, look, and it's our main course time. We've got we've both got the same. So we've got some fish. I can't remember what fish was it. Kingfish was it? Catch of the day with some. They didn't call them chips, but they're big chips. And a bit of garnish on the plate as well. Nice side salad. The same. There you go, you can see it nicely. And we're going to chuck into this. Oh, it's a bit cloudy out there as well. So, yeah, that's hard cloudy. So we finished our dinner now, lunch, sorry. It was very nice. Fish was pretty good. It was sailfish today, so it was quite nice. Chips, yeah, they were chips, they were quite nice, big chunky chips, and can't complain. Well, they even brought me a little pot of tomato ketchup. So yeah, perfect. We are now Mango Bay, and we're going on a boat trip. Hello. We will do. And yeah, we're going on a little boat today. There it is in front of us. We're just going down to the boat. So off we go. Joe's falling in a minute. So here's the little boat. Yeah. That's right, thank you. Whoa. Got it, yeah. So here we are on our little cruise, a little boat. Where's she going to sit is the question.
Oh my god, this is lovely, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, where are we going, Jerry?
Which way you want to go?
Can we go that way?
This way is beautiful.
Cheers, Jerry, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So off we go. Jerry's the driver.
Jerry.
Hi, Jerry.
Hi, Jerry. You're famous on YouTube.
And there we go. Off out on a boat. It's the Mango Bay Hotel there.
If you're staying at the Mango Bay Hotel, these trips are complimentary for the hotel residents. All you need to do is go to reception and say you'd like to take a little boat trip with Jerry, and they'll organise some time. It's really easy. You just meet on the beach and away you go. The little speedboat, I would say, holds between 4 and 6 people comfortably. However, if there's just 2 of you, I'm sure it would be quite romantic. I really enjoy being out on the water. It's not something that I've done much in the past. We have a cruise booked for next February, but I'm thinking maybe a 7-night sailing holiday would be fun. I've never done that. If anybody has any tips about sailing holidays, please leave your comments down below. Thank you.
That's the tides, isn't it? That's the tides. That's the tides, yeah.
Walk every day there.
That's the tides. Yeah, that's the tides, isn't it? Yeah. Paul Owens.
We then seemed to pick up quite a lot of speed and we were whizzing along. We really had to hold on to our hats at this point as it's only a little boat and the waves were getting quite bumpy as we were going along. It was really exciting and such an adrenaline rush to be going so fast. I was really loving this trip. Jerry, our captain, then said there were a few houses along here that were worth at least 25 million. I thought, wow, that's such a lot of money for a house, but I can understand on an island like this, it's so beautiful.
This is Sandy Lane, this one here. Yeah.
What's that, Rob?
Sandy Lane.
Yeah. Oh, Sandy Lane. Wow. Come up with games. As always. And left. Oh, it's great. I love it.
Yeah, this is
Honestly, I had so much fun on this trip. It brings back great memories. It was simply amazing. We were now hurtling towards the beach and we were going to have a look at Sandy Lane as far, well, as close as what we could get anyway. Earlier that morning around 9 AM, Rob and I had managed to get onto Sandy Lane Beach by navigating around a headland. We now came across that headland and it was absolutely impassable. The water had come right in and you now wouldn't have been able to get on it by foot. The beach that Sandy Lane sits upon is very pretty and in my opinion probably one of the nicest beaches in Barbados.
Yeah, that one's for rent.
Is it for rent? It is. It's got a blue sign.
It's got a blue,
Oh my
see the blue
God.
sign?
This one here is very new. This is only a couple of weeks.
Yeah. We're back at Sandy Lane. We didn't expect to hear twice in a day.
Amazing.
But yeah, oh, fish,
Oh,
lots of
that's
fish in the water.
incredible.
Sandy Lane here.
This for me really is what the Caribbean is all about. Beautiful beaches, stunning crystal blue waters. Sandy Lane Beach really is a private and exclusive place. It's very expensive to stay at Sandy Lane Hotel and difficult to get onto the beach by public access. However, we did it. Please see our earlier video on how to do it. You can do it too if you access it at the right time of day. If you do want to go on to Sandy Lane Beach, park outside number 1 Sandy Lane. Then you can access the Paynes Beach by a little alleyway. You then turn right and head all the way along the headland. You can see in this video where the stones are on the beach. This is where we walked along, all the way along for about a good half a mile. It's now inaccessible at this time of the day. You can see the waves are really lapping up against the stones. It would be impossible to get through. You need to go at low tide. We went at 9 AM in the morning and it was just about okay. It was a bit slippery in places, but we did it. You can do it too. Wear sturdy shoes though. It was well worth the effort and attempt to do it. If you're planning on staying at Mango Bay Hotel, I would really encourage you to take these boat trips. They're quite special and truly enjoyable. The trips are complimentary and you can go out as many times as you like. They also offer free water sports such as water skiing, which is a bonus if you do like to water ski. We then picked up speed and headed towards the iconic 1 Sandy Lane residences. This is a very exclusive property where people like Rihanna and Simon Cowell holiday and even own apartments. Just look how fast we were going. It was exhilarating. I loved it.
This is 1 Sandy Lane.
Oh, yeah,
Here
yeah.
where Rihanna normally stays with Simon Cowell.
Beautiful. It looks empty. Looks empty at the minute.
It's always quiet like that.
Yeah.
The people on the inside. Like, you get to see.
Yeah. Because that's where we came down, that little alley there.
Yeah.
The little alley that you see there now, that's the one we came down.
So along here as well, you've got Smuggler's Cove and what was it, Coral
That's
Cove?
Coral Cove, isn't it? That's Coral Cove, the first one.
And Smuggler's Cove, I think. But
This here is called Payne's Bay.
Yes.
yeah, beautiful beach.
All these along here are condos.
Yeah, to rent.
Yeah, you can rent or
Yeah.
either buy. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Very expensive, right? A lot of money,
Lot of money.
to rent.
Lot of money.
A lot of money to rent.
Yes.
And is it Treasure Beach as well?
Treasure Beach at the end. That's the last one. I think that's is it the tall trees or the low tree or something, or whatever it's called. And
Oh right, okay. I love the way it's so old school, isn't it? It's really old school. I hope they don't knock some of these older ones down. I hope they don't like get swallowed up. They're amazing. And what they're building there, is that going to be a restaurant?
yeah,
What are they building? What are they building there? Is it going to be a
Right
restaurant?
along here is Treasure Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tamarind Cove. Used to be part of the Elegant Resort.
Oh, okay.
Now it's owned by Marriott's, but they're doing a lot of renovation.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This one here on the other side, that's a part of the Tamarind Cove too as well, but that's opened up. That
Okay.
section is called the house.
Yes, it looks lovely.
So if you were staying at Tamarind there, say you wanted to upgrade, they would take you to the house.
Right. I bet Marriott's just going to knock that
Where they're
down,
doing the
don't you?
construction here on this roof, there used to be a restaurant called that.
this is all Marriott's, then, is it?
They're just going to...
This is Marriott zone.
Right.
That's Payne's Bay we're just leaving. And off we go again.
That's lovely, that one there.
Well, that's nice, yeah. I love the
Lovely.
trees.
Yeah. I love
These are
it.
also, these are also condos.
Yeah, lovely. Oh wow, look at all
These
those.
condos are called beach view. These, you can buy one, rent one.
Wow.
Yeah, just on the other side.
Oh, look at this restaurant, Bob.
Oh,
What's
it's
that?
lovely, that place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's different.
That's the,
Is that the cliff?
that's the cliff.
That's the cliff. Oh my god, that's lovely.
Very expensive one.
Yeah. Oh, that's lovely.
It used to be the cliff, now it's called QP.
No longer the cliff then, Joe?
No longer?
This used to be the cliff, they changed the name.
Yeah. So it's still very expensive?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, it's,
Got no prices on the menu, have they?
Little beach, look, step down.
oh, we like that. Little beach to yourself. This is Crystal Cove.
Is it crystal?
Yeah.
Or is it cobblers?
Fun?
Cobblers or crystal?
One of them anyway, yeah. I love the colour houses.
Yeah, all colorful. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Lovely that.
Lovely.
Not as nice as Ballamore.
Wow. Crystal Cove. Oh wow.
Beautiful. Very colorful.
Very
Not
colourful.
nice as Ballamore, is it, in Scotland?
I bet that was built, when do you reckon that was built? 70s, 80s, 90s? Oh,
Beautiful,
yeah.
though, isn't it?
I'd still have a nice, yeah. Oh, look at the building there. That's the apartments, isn't it?
That's the Cliff Restaurant, Bistro.
No one in it.
No one in there. Good afternoon.
Some lovely places.
There is, isn't there?
Yeah. All too soon it was time to head back towards Mango Bay Hotel at Hull Town. It was lovely cruising along the coastline with the wind in your hair. It's just nothing better than that. It was interesting to see Mango Bay Hotel from the sea. It's quite a quaint hotel, very pretty and old worldly. If you're staying at Mango Bay Hotel soon, you're going to have a lovely time.
And there's the Mango Beach. We're back
Do you know
home.
what? Mango Beach just looks as lovely,
It's gorgeous.
doesn't it? It just looks as lovely.
So that was a little tour of the west part of Barbados, below Mango Bay. Thank you for watching this little video, and we're going to try and get off now without
Falling
without
over.
drowning.